What's up everyone? We're back with the Keyboard 81 Pro. Today we're gonna be doing a typing test. If you wanna join with us, go to typingtest.com. We're gonna be doing 1 minute on medium difficulty. So let's go see who at the OnePlus office can type the fastest. So we've got our typing test for you. Remember, if you wanna go with us, go to typingtest.com. We're doing medium difficulty, 1 minute test. On my left here, we've got Alba, our social media manager. Say hi to everyone.
Hi, guys.
And on my right, we have our graphic designer, Amanda.
Hi.
Yeah, thanks so much for joining us. How you feeling about this test?
I'm really nervous right now.
Very nervous.
Who do you think's gonna win?
Definitely not me. I'm
gonna
type.
win. I'm very competitive. I'm gonna win.
Wow. Okay, my money's on her.
All right.
All right, let's get started. I'll count you down. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh my.
All right, 1 minute on the clock. Let's do it.
I already made a
Oh,
mistake.
they started you off with Wyoming? That's tough.
Yeah, that's what I'm fine.
Oh man, that's a lot of red already, Alba.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
I'm.
Typos do count against you.
Oh, they do?
Yes, they do.
I'm like skipping all the punctuations. I don't know what I'm doing right now.
Oh, Amanda's tripping up now. Oh
my god. I haven't typed a correct sentence so far.
Oh my gosh, I'm doing
Oh,
all
but
wrong.
this is just embarrassing now.
Dude, I'm a foreigner, so you have to forgive me.
I keep looking back and forth. I don't know who's winning. All right, we've got what, 15 seconds left?
Why am I so
This is clutch time.
Just
Let's
because
go.
I said that I would win.
Oh, my hands are shaking.
And me too. I'm too nervous.
Let's see who's clutch. 5 seconds last.
No, I want to win.
I'm gonna call it. I think Amanda won. Let's see. And all right, Amanda, you're up first. Let's show the
No,
result.
let's show hers
No,
first.
I don't wanna see it.
It's embarrassing. No.
Let's see. Add. Okay.
All right. Ready? See.
So, okay, you got 34 words per minute. That looks like what, right about average, it
Yeah.
says?
Well, that's better than what I did
Oh my
last
gosh, mine it's not.
No way.
Oh, no. I'm gonna win. I'm very competitive. I'm gonna win.
time. Hey, what happened?
She got 9 words per minute. What's quite below average?
Wyoming.
Wyoming.
Yeah. Your typing speed wasn't bad. It was just the 31% accuracy that messed you up there.
Yeah.
Yeah. So how do you guys like the keyboard?
I love this keyboard.
It feels really nice. I got a quiet one.
The Summer Breeze.
The Summer Breeze one with the marble mellow keycaps.
Yeah. I like the sound is very nostalgic.
On the PBT key.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Who cares? I got the more expensive one.
Oh.
And still won.
And I want.
It
It is something.
So that was the typing test with the Keyboard 81 Pro. Make sure to let us know in the comments what your highest score was. And don't lie to us, we'll know. As always, make sure to like and subscribe, ring the bell, watch our latest content above. See you guys next time.